Hello, ICT215 spreadsheet application students. I wanted to take a few minutes to go over the week 1 assignment that is located in this first week's module here. This assignment can be a little confusing to students, so I just want to walk you through and show you a few details and kind of point you in the right direction of what you'll need to do to be able to accomplish this assignment for this week. My suggestion would be, if you're not familiar with Excel, would be to look through some of these basic Excel tutorials. There are some here that are very good. Basic things that you're going to need to do for this first assignment. I'm going to click in here. So again, if you're new to Excel, take a few minutes to watch some of those tutorials. I believe they're really good. Typically short videos to kind of go over some of the basic things like, creating a basic spreadsheet, to using basic formulas, to inserting charts and graphs into your spreadsheet. Those are the things that you're going to need to do for this first assignment. So here you have the assignment window. It's giving you a little information about the assignment, and then these are the things that you're going to need to do. So you're creating a spreadsheet from scratch that is going to look like, and then if you see this, I'm going to click on this link right here, and what this does will just open the image so you can take a look at what it is that you have to create. So here's the spreadsheet that you're going to have to create, and it has a few components in it, and I kind of give you some guidance on things that you need to do here, like merge, center, title, the cell style. That's what this needs to be in these first two rows. These are two rows. They're merged and centered. You can take a look at the font. Just try to get it similar. I'm not going to dictate that it has to be exact, but the things that you need to do, making sure that it's merged and centered, making sure that there's a different color background. You don't have to use blue if you don't want to. And then you're going to type in some basic information, some basic data into the spreadsheet. So your first two rows are the title and the subtitle here. This row here, the third row down, your first cell would be blank, and then the next cell over, which would be B3, has the month of October. Next to that, November, December. So you're typing this stuff in here. So all this will be typed in on this third row across the whole way: total, minimum, maximum. And then you're going to type in all of this information right here. Okay. All of this data into these cells here. And basically, again, you're just looking, and this is just typing stuff in. You're typing in the name of the city in column A. Column B, you're typing in the total sales for October by city. To the right of that, total sales for November by city. To the right of that, total sales for December by city. So this is all being typed in. This will be typed in. The total will be typed in. Average will be typed in. Don't type this in. This is just letting you know that there have to be formulas in here. So this stuff here is not really part of the spreadsheet. Formulas. That's just letting you know that these have to be formulas in here. So you're going to insert formulas here. So the total sales, the total would be the sum of Denver, Seattle, Portland, Tacoma. That's a formula right here in this cell. The same goes over here. Same goes over here. And then what you're going to have here in this column, this total column, is the total by city. So this, and this will all be totaled up here. This minimum would be a formula to show the minimum. Of course, you can look at it and see what the minimum is here easily. But this is an exercise in using the minimum formula. So here, this will be the minimum of these three cells here. And then this would be, of course, the maximum, again, using a formula. So you're going to have formulas in all these cells here. the same formulas in the cells below it for each of the cities. Those will all be the same. Okay, so that's what you have to do for that kind of top part with your data set. Okay. Then you have to insert a basic pie chart into this, and the pie chart will have to show the November income by city, and then you'll have to have a legend that shows the city by the color code. Okay, Portland, Tacoma. All right. If you want to add more to this, you're certainly welcome to do that, but this is the basics of what I'd like for you to be able to do at this point. Again, there are some things in here that if you're struggling with them, we can meet online. I find it best to do that. We can meet online to go over some of this stuff. You can also go back and refer to those Excel video tutorials that I referenced. We can email back and forth. We can have a phone call. We can meet online using Google Meet. I can share my screen with you and walk you through some of this stuff. So there are multiple ways that we can accomplish this. But if you are struggling, if there's something that you're not understanding here about this, please reach out to me early so that we're not waiting till the last minute to complete the tasks. Okay? All right, that's all I have. If you have any issues, you know how to get in touch with me. Good luck on this assignment and good luck with the first week of classes. Take care.